Hi, good morning, Joanna. So for today, we're going to be working on goal 3 and 4. So remember, we are counting numbers that include the ones in the tens place to demonstrate an understanding of place value. So we're going to be working on worksheet number, it's going to be your last worksheet. Let's see, this one. So right here, you're going to tell me the tens and the ones by counting each column. So you're going to tell me how many tens and how many ones. Same thing for this one. So right here, let's do number 1 together. So how many tens do we have? So if there's 10 little cubes in each column, how many do we have? Good job. So our number would be 30. So where would the 3 go? Would it go in the tens place or in the ones place? Good job. So you're going to have the 3 and then the 0. Down here it says write the numbers. So you're going to write the numbers. So you have the number 63 and it's the same thing. Which one goes in the tens and which one goes in the ones? The 6 or the 3? Which one goes in the tens? Great job, the 6. And over here, on the ones place, you have 3. Now, the third section says write the number in different ways. So right here, I want you to write the number in different ways. Count them, write it, and then fill in the blank. Once you are done, send a picture so that we can submit the grade. For our next goal number 4, it says you are going to solve double-digit addition problems. So I feel like you're doing really good on this one. So let's go to the very bottom, the last worksheet, this one. There's like 20 questions. If you can at least get me, if you can get all 20, that would be great. But if you can get me at least 10, I'll go ahead and highlight it. Give me at least 10, 1 through 10, that would be perfect. So just 1 through 10. I know there's 20, but only 1 through 10. Once you're done, go ahead and take a picture and submit it for a grade. I only need 1 picture. So with that being said, good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know.